Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open YouTube in your desktop browser and sign into your account. Click your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select Appearance to view theme options. Choose Dark Theme to enable it instantly across the site. The change affects video pages, the home page, and comments without reloading. If you use multiple browsers, repeat these steps in each browser to keep Dark Theme consistent. To revert, return to Appearance and choose Light Theme or Device Theme. Open the YouTube app on your phone and tap your profile icon. Tap Settings, then tap Appearance to open theme choices. You will see Light Theme, Dark Theme, and Use Device Theme options. Tap Dark Theme to switch the app to dark colors immediately. Selecting Use Device Theme makes YouTube follow your phone system setting automatically. Repeat this on each device where you use the app to maintain consistent dark mode behavior. If a site option is missing, use browser flags or extensions to force dark mode. In Chrome, go to Chrome//flags and enable Auto Dark Mode for web contents to test it. Install a trusted dark mode extension if flags are unavailable or inconvenient. You can also enable System Dark Mode on Windows or Mac OS to sync some browser themes automatically. Note that incognito mode and some extensions may behave differently, so test changes in a new browser profile before relying on them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.